This tutorial is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your website on demand. And don't forget, subscribe for more tutorials.
In this video, I will be showing you how to add custom image sizes in WordPress. So to do that, you open up your WordPress website and navigate to Dashboard. Then navigate to Pages and click it. Inside of Pages, go to the page where you want to add your custom image size. So I will select New Offer, and inside of New Offer, I will click to add an image. And since I already have images on my website, I will click Media Library. And then I'll select the image of a pair. On the bottom right-hand corner, I will click Select. So now I've added the picture of the pair to this page. Now, on the right-hand side, under Block, there are options where I can select between thumbnail size, medium size, large size, as well as full size. As on image dimensions here, I can also select whether I want 25% the size, 75% the size, 50%, or 100%. I will just click Reset right now. Okay. So once you've selected the size you want to click Preview on the top right-hand corner to see if it looks right. So I click Preview, and the image looks about right. And remember, after everything looks good to you, you can click Update to update the changes. So I won't click Update now because I want to show you something else. So with the image size here, right? It's easier to just show you. Okay, so right now I leave it as the default size, and I click Preview. And you'll notice that if I right-click and click Open Image in New Tab, the image that's being loaded is just the image of the pair. Now, if I were to click 50% the size and then preview it again, and then I were to right-click and do Open Image in New Tab, then the image being loaded is still the pair. Okay, so what this means is that even when I change the image dimensions, right, I can change them. I can do it like a custom change here with width and height, or I can change it through the percentages here. But what we noticed earlier is that even when I change the image dimensions, the same image is still being loaded. The same image of a pair is still being loaded. What this means is that if you're touching the image dimensions, regardless of what you do, it'll first load the image of a pair, and then it will resize it to look the way you want. So it'll resize it larger or resize it smaller. This is slow. So if you want to load the image faster, you can choose to load a smaller image by clicking Thumbnail. This, if you click Preview, and then you click Open Image in New Tab, this time it's loading the thumbnail image, which is a smaller version of the image. See how here it says pair 150 by 150 versus earlier it just said pair? So if you want to load a smaller image size, then I suggest you select thumbnail because it actually loads a image size that is smaller, and this is quicker to load. So rather than loading the full-size image by loading the full-size image and then resizing it through image dimensions, if you want a smaller image, just do thumbnail. So the conclusion is you want to select the size from image size that is closest to what you really want. So if you want a really small image that doesn't take long to load, click thumbnail. If you want the full size, full res solution image, click full size. Or if you want a medium image, you click medium. But I'll just click large for now. And then after you choose the image size that is most appropriate and closest to the size you want, then you can adjust the width and height as necessary to match the size you want. I hope this helps. So this is how you add custom image sizes in WordPress.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe. And if you need extra help, visit AskQuesty.com and send us your questions.